Hi, my name is Jarek Ostrowski. I'm a product designer on the Create team at GitLab. And today we're going to go through how to discover merge requests that need reviews through labels. In the previous milestone, I went through this once, and since then, there's been some small changes that have cut down on some steps and make it easier for you to find the merge requests that you need to review through a label. And this is oftentimes, especially at GitLab, we use labels a whole lot, and we have review labels. So if you add a review label to a merge request, there's someone responsible for that label. So how do they discover that? How do they know something needs review other than getting a to-do or getting a notification? And that would be looking at a list of merge requests with that specific label tied to it. So we're going to go through that workflow now. So first thing, obviously, is to go to gitlab.com, and then you'll go to the project that you're responsible for. So here, this is kind of nice. I see my frequently visited projects. So I'll go to the project that I know I need to make reviews or check on any merge requests that need review. And I'll go to the list of merge requests in that project. And here you get all merge requests. There's a whole bunch of labels. Oftentimes, other people are responsible depending on the label. But for me, I'm looking for a specific label and I want to filter by that label. Now, previously in the last milestone of this workflow, I had to type in a label and then make sure I'm filtering by label and then search for that label, and that can be kind of a cumbersome process. There's a lot of typing, there's a lot of action needing to be taken. But now we made a small change to recent searches, which actually didn't even know this was recent searches until we changed it from an icon to text. And now that I know that, it's a lot easier for me to filter by that label because I do it all the time. So now if I go into my recent searches drop down, I see the label that I've filtered by all the time, and I know we'll have the list of MRs that I need to actually review. So I'll go ahead and click that recent search. And another nice piece of that is, and very underrated, is if you're typing in the search bar and the filter bar, you actually have to hit enter to submit. But with recent searches, all I have to do is click on the recent search and it activates that filter. So right there with one click, I can go and activate that label. And now you can see all the merge requests that need my attention, whether or not somebody had pinged me saying, hey, Jarek, can you review this? As long as they add the label, I'll have access to that here, and these are all the things that I need to take care of. I'd give this an overall grade of a C+. It's slightly better than average and is better than the last grade, which was a C before the change was made to make recent searches more discoverable. And I think there's a lot we can improve about making labels more discoverable, specifically ones that you're responsible for. So overall, it's not bad, but certainly better than average, and I think we can continue to improve upon it. And that's it. Thank you very much.